Oh, why you now? Then I make a knocker. What is it? She. Oge na me abe yaro na hinyasha. N'utukwu. You know understand ije meka. Ihe zuwa wata lukwo ogwagwa ye ya nwo na no ya excuse ya. Cause agwa bawe na ri na so. Eyo kparo wala na o wa wagbu. Tell Madam, what is Igwe Buhari oge na lekpo gi kobo. I'm going to school. We go to school. Oh, school. Wa boy boyfriend we. Mommy, I don't have any boyfriend. Will you shut up? Kini me ka dogbera ni. O ma we ka we ge. O bo ehia. Igwe bo ehia. Ni na me boya via we school tebe ni waya. Ni wa le ti subu awon wa agbo. Ni wa de na la wo. Ya fi gbowori. Please, I can't miss test today. The test was bad. I miss test today. No, we must see. Come on, ya give one ya do me ya deliver very important and object. Akin ja meta lo, ya le se na ni babo e check le we. Zegie, it was say you so. O wa ka ho ni wa kekwa. E je keke yo wa so wa no ya keke gbuwa. Zegie, oh we. Test. I will test my own work at school. My would be test. I can't Nomo. Come. Get a sell by me. Where is Mr. Ijaji? Ogele Wajaji. When I bought this and we are back to where we are. Here, oh, Zuzu. My baby, I like it. Ma. Walking gear. Oh, yeah, here. There, go let someone. Uga wa seva. Una wa wenia. Okoni me agbele de we. Uju enia go si enia. Uga wa wenia. Iya dege we bo we. Wene, etu mane. Oh yeah. Follow. Okay. Where you go le pogi kobo? But mommy, what will I be doing in a man's house all by myself? Yeah. Why? Uga seva. When you get there, you know. When I am, what in anybody who has saved Ramana Miotota. Just sit down, wait on. Yeah? When you can, Umana Miotota hoy. So, but when you no more rock bar. Why relax? The Vena Kawade, we go to where do you want? Man of Vena wa Kawabe ye. Udamia Jackie. Oda go to me here day. Go and look at you. Where are you, Larry? Everywhere. Walk like a girl. Is just a manarubi. Here, go. Kaboti animal say, that's my baby. Ni ma we na zuwa do zuwa. Ki e button e gwe ninu e wa. Okay. Oni we lai. Ni la o wa. Ni ya we no ke ari aki. Oh yeah, fast. So why you late? They are coming. I'm not go late for school. They are coming. We're doing. You know what to shine in my leg. The near do I feel was son. Come. Don't you say? Get mom will say. See for children now. Turn around. Oh God. In the shade work a pause. $1 $1. You know easy to get for children. Take no say your senior sister go pass with 100 though. Yeah. When we that buy something for la risk. Yeah. Now pause me shade na waste. Not be $1 $1. I beg if na risk. Right the one way you know. The one we no live up for God. You hear? You fail, you don't repeat 2 times, no missing at end of the life. So you hear my pikin, you don't repeat again. Listen, you go come in school. You have to meet sugar. You have you just go straight to university. You go better. So you hear? Do you feel like when they stress you my pikin? No worry. You be okay. Where you go, mama? Oh yeah. No, go. Take care. Oh, love you, girls. Oh, here, say you look me. Pass the shake back. The Nomo say, "We don't want to have key." But we're done. We will not go away. No. Oh, yeah. I want to come on here. I will lie. So pleasure, kid.
Yes, I still don't normally take visit to school. Why are you not dressed? Are you not going to school today?
My mom won't let me. Instead, she sent me on an errand.
Errand?
Yes.
What about the masters?
I don't know.
Maybe when I return back to school, I will explain to the teacher. But why today of all days? What did you do to your mom?
Nothing. I just returned from school and she started beating me. Saying someone told her I have a boyfriend. I don't know. Boyfriend? Yes.
Oh! Friska, I'm going to do it to her. Wait!
How do you know she's the one?
Because she's the only one that I have issue with our friendship. Yes, you are right. But in as much as I would appreciate you confronting her, I would like you to do something nice for me. And what is it? My mom asked me to give this to Mr. Ivie. He's the man she wants me to marry. I can't go alone. I have a bad feeling that something might happen to me. Please, can you go with me?
Yes, I'll go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Remember, I promise I'll protect and defend you at all costs.
Yes.
So I'll go.
Thank you very much.
But what about the mass test?
Oh, about that. Well, I don't really care about education anymore. I just want money. Don't worry. I'll sort myself fast because of you.
Better.
Thanks for agreeing to go.
Why is she not here yet?
I do not know. She has never been upset for tests like this. See, help me that your bag, please.
This will kill us. Hey! Which is money them now, eh? Every time they let talk here, and then you will subscription back, eh? Let me try to do now. I'm here, who's there?
It's me, dear. Madam everyone's daughter.
Eh? If they, and they come, wait, and they come. Yegeri. Wait till I come put down for you. Yes. Come in. Enter. Well, sir.
She asked me to give this to you, sir.
But this will not tell me where you were that day. You not tell us, same person follow you.
Why are you expecting her to come with me?
Nothing. Or do you have ulterior motives? Oh, no, nothing. What are you a stepmother up to? We're nothing. You better be nothing. Else, I'll get the police involved in it. Police? Then, what type of police is it? Let's go with it.
I'll do my way, sir. Thank you.
Usually.
Everyone, 300,000.
Yàwá di tòun rẹ̀ yàwá jíbi. Ije, everyone billion. 300,000. 300,000. Everyone don kill me. When they say, they go just say. Ẹgbẹ́ náà fi ọlọ́run ẹgbẹ́ kí wọ́n kúrò jíjẹ ìwọ̀n rẹ̀ ní ìdájọ́ tó ní ìsìnkú ẹ̀ ooo.
Yes, I did. What?
I wish you would not make it to school today. Not after dropping her waist. You don't direct me. Don't think of my doing. Well, so let me tell you. I know that her mother is dead. Likewise, her dad.
I don't say the woman she's living with is her stepmother. And you get to her stepmother behave as stepdaughter now. Yes, You not only make her, you make her miss an important test. Only God knows what I said more than I've done to her. Well, that's not my business. I'm just glad that I taught my lesson. And you are never forgetting the point. I beg you do it. That's how you tell me that you're going to. Look at that. I mean, I beg you. What did you ever do to you? Well, if you must know, she had to report that my father has been praying so hard for us to get. She even tried to steal my money away from me.
Wait, how am I ever explaining myself to this people now?
Yeah, everyone, right. You want to know who are these women there? Who are these women? You want to go about there? I'm not joking. You go about there. You go to talk back.
You go there, no. Ima wo go me say, ma take party we say. You know where? You know package oko. You know we be you know mo le raga, ona do deliver enu. E bo wara kara we no aya gbe pere no like. Uwe oge ko shi bia ego keeper ma mu ja se. You don le bo mo bo le gbe. O ma yo go ruwa bo ni o fa lori o ka wela wa. O da mo.
Dami hele ni ta e ko gbe mu e. Ye ko mu le. Oh, kini mi o hanije. You ba ro hu fo a, ile eri fi la wa, ido mo yara je awere pisti. Ibi aye ga ba mo. Agumeche we tifi. You must give me back my even more really. If the police is your
see me see trouble. Who for one yeah, now what more? Ẹ̀kọ́ ló yà dé ẹ̀kọ́. Ẹ̀ka. Ní pọ̀gbọ̀ ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ máa mi ìjì ọ̀fẹ́ lọ.
I allowed you go yesterday because there was no time, but you must take your punishments. Because in this school, we don't allow students to fight. Do you understand? So I flog you to show you that you don't fight in this school. Bring out your hand. Your hand. Your hand. Be fast about it. You don't like Ken and you know how to fight. This hand. You want me to blind her? Your hand, please.
It's my fault.
Even if it's not your fault, you joined them. You saw them fighting and you joined them. You joined your friend. Next time you don't fight. Hey, I don't want that. You still need here until when I decide to release you. Do you understand? Okay.
Want to look at me? You just suffer yesterday. Me, Nika. Yes, ma'am. Very cool. Alone, so.
Sexy.
What's up? Why are you just kneeling down?
We got into a fight with that stupid bitch because of his beard. It's all Prisca's fault.
I know. Eh? Thanks for sticking up for your friend. Her stepmother beat her up and sent her to the house of the man she is supposed to marry.
Thanks for
She came begging me to follow her that she's scared of going alone. And I went with her. That was why I was absent.
thanks for going with her. Who know what would have happened if she went alone?
How is she?
Well, she's doing great. She's with the maths teacher now, explaining why she was absent for her test. Well, never mind. I will tell her you guys are being punished on behalf of her.
No, I think no, you don't have to say that. Again, we feel sorry for us, so you don't have to say a word. We are capable of handling our fights ourselves.
Oh shit! The conqueror, the lion, the champion is here. Eh? No worry. Okay, take care of yourself.
Hello?
Please listen, everybody.
Lucy! Lucy! Come out here. Come here. Look at the way she's even walking. Do you see the kind of hair she made? Yes. Is that what do we allow it in this school? No, ma'am. Lucy?
You have not done well. So now I'm sending you home to call your mother. I wonder if your mother saw you when you were doing this. You are going to go to call your mother. Now, go. We don't allow this in this school. Every boy, every girl must carry dark hair, not tinted hair. So Lucy should leave. That boy, putting on earring. Come here fast. Earring, chain. You become a girl now. Come. You are not yet ready to study. You are ready to study all this. And this one. Are you a woman? We don't dress like this here. You are not looking like a student. You are looking like a dog. And we don't train dogs in this place. So bye. Go home too and call your parents. I don't want to see you around the school. There are about 3 or 4. That boy at the back. The one that is not washing his shirt. What's your name? What's your name? Your name is Destiny. What a wonderful name they gave to you. And you're not allowing it to work in your life. Hey, look at the student. Showing us his chest. With his white singlet. We don't want to see it. You only want to see what you can do. Come on, button up before you leave. Button up! Fast! And look at your hair. What is this? Look at everybody here, all the boys here. Did you see anybody carrying this kind of... Look at this thing. Now you go home. I want to see your mommy and your daddy. I want to see your parents. Your mommy and daddy. Listen. Students, you know you are not allowed to dress like that. Yes. And never in your life, as far as you're a student in this school, behave like that. Stanford is known for excellence, well behavior, academically and character-wise. In our dressing, we dress moderately. We dress fine, like children coming to learn. So never you try to dress like these people have just sent home. Did you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Senior secondary school and junior. Did you hear what I said? Yes, ma'am. Dress like normal human beings. Those children are not normal. And I'm praying for them that God will make them normal. Amen. Say amen, everybody. Amen. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right.
you just staring? It feels like you're undressing me with your eyes.
I'm sorry, that wasn't my intention. But I'm just trying to understand why you study so hard. Like, why is education important to you?
Well, before my father died, he used to be the head teacher of a local school, and he taught me the importance of education. He said for one to attain any height in life, you need to be educated.
Well, that used to be the case. Standard has changed. Just look around, you see it. We have so many graduates loitering around the streets, no jobs for them. These days, all we need is money and connection. It's either you have one or you have the two.
I know a lot of you have given up on education, but I just can't. When I see and hear about the likes of Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala and Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States of America, I just can't give up. I feel motivated.
Wow.
No one ever said the battle is going to be easy. But with my perseverance and determination, I'll skate through. After seeing all my fights, the universe will not have choice but to help me.
Wow. I don't just know what else to say to dissuade you. But wait, what about your stepmom?
She's just a stumbling block that I will overcome. I bet you know, no one throws stone on a fruitless tree.
Yes. You are right. It's just that I got discouraged about the situation around me. That's why I gave up on education.
You have to find the zeal back, society. Yeah. Education is not just made for us to have a bright future. Education is meant to equip us mentally, financially, emotionally, and otherwise. It is meant to make us understand our environment, how to interact with our world and the people in it. So don't let anyone deceive you that education is a scam. Society, school not be scam. Be your own driving force. When you are equipped, business ideas come to you with ease, and you will also know how to express yourself and say what you have. So let me tell you, no matter what, I have chosen not to give up on education. Stop clapping. What is wrong with you?
Your speech deserves a standing ovation. You are supposed to be a motivational speaker.
You draw people attention to me.
Forget that thing.
Wait, have you seen my friends?
Yeah, I saw them.
Okay.
But they are busy running around for the teachers.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let me finish studying this.
Okay.
We should be going in for our test in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, you are right.
So, let me give you your...
Forget it.
You need it. Please, be serious. Take.
I'm doing it for you.
Thank you. So, you just be serious what you are doing.
No, take this one. Give me this one.
But I have something I'm already doing there. Let me just finish. You look at it, watch it. So yeah.
I don't know how to solve it now. Okay, teach me
now.
I'll teach you. Thank you.
Let me go give him more support. Tell her
She just there. She just there.
And
she just there.
we see there.
Officer, that is a woman. Go and arrest her.
Madam,
Officer,
are you Mrs. Febua? Okay, my name is Inspector James from the State Police Headquarters. Madam, we are under arrest for trying to harass innocent citizens.
Yes, sir.
okay. Citizen too. I know my right. I know my right to order police. See, this man, so now if I do. If you want arrest, you go arrest her for
me. She dey lie.
Oh, that way. If you make her give her my pikin way small. Now 16 years my pikin be still dey go secondary school. As I dey hungry now, hungry won't kill us. Now I collect the money, use am take feed my children. I can't not give her the girl. Now I go pray police because I'm not girl.
Officer, you say here ask you to give me your daughter of 50 years old man.
He give me the money.
Officer, water. Hey, they kill you.
Money, look at you. Let me say not be here this so. Look at Allah. Who business I follow you do?
Someone else here. At
this point, you have to follow police station.
Oh, she.
Oh yeah,
Arrest her.
You don't even know anyone. Okay, fine. You don't have to go out. Okay, give me your.